Hello everyone, this is Umar Hassan and you are watching Math with Umar Hassan. Today I am going to continue the solution of exercise 5A from D1 7th edition. Well, I will be solving D4 and D3 solutions as well because many of the students are asking for that too. But that will be on a couple of days in a week, and D1 will continue on a couple of days in a week. So starting from question number 4, part number E of exercise 5A, previous questions have been solved and you can find all the solution up to this chapter in the playlist of D1. So coming towards the solution of this part, well, we need to solve each of the following equations. Well, this is an equation. We have an equality sign over here and we need to solve, we need to find the value of the variable which is x. So first of all, open the brackets. When you will open the brackets, you will multiply the term which is 2 outside the bracket by all the terms inside the bracket. I am talking about this. You will multiply 2 by 2x and you will multiply 2 by 2.2. So 2 into 2x is 4x minus 2 into 2.2. Well, that is like this, 2 into 2.2. For instance and for a moment, remove the decimal sign. Well, that is 4 and 4. Because decimal was here and there is one digit after the decimal in the question, so there must be one digit after the decimal in your answer. So your answer will be 4.4, that is equal to 4.6. Now because you need to find the value of x, so you need to isolate x, which means you are going to move this constant on the other side of the equation. So 4x will be equal to 4.6 plus 4.4. Here it is negative, on the right side of the equation it will become positive. So what is next is 4 and 4 is 8, 6 plus 4 is 10. So it will become 9 is equal to 4x. Let me explain this again. 4.6 and 4.4. Well, 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 will be over here. 1 will be over here. 4 plus 4, 8 and 1, 9.0, which is 9. So you need to find the value of the variable which is x and you need to isolate x. Mean you don't need any number on that side of the equation where there is x. So this 4 is not required over here. You need to move it on the other side of the equation. So when you will move it on the other side of the equation, it will divide 9. So this is your answer. You can also write it in decimal form. 9 is numerator, it will be going inside, and 4 is the denominator, it will be going outside. So 4 2 times 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. This 1 is less than 4. Insert a decimal to have a 0 over here. 4 2 times 8. 2 will be the remainder. 0 will be placed because we have a decimal here. You can put 1 0 over here, and 4 5 times 20. So this is the answer for this part. Next part is part number F. Well, part number F is quite similar. All of these questions are basically linear equation where the value of the variable is, the power of the variable is basically 1. Well, that is a linear equation. So we need to find the value of the variable which is y in this case. Previously the variable was x and now here it is y. Variable mean something that varies. We don't know its value, we need to find its value. So its value is not fixed, that's why it is called a variable. So first of all, open the brackets. 4 multiplied by 3y is 12y. This 4 is going to be multiplied by all the terms inside. 4 into 4.1. I told you need to multiply it by this. How to multiply a decimal number by a whole number? remove the decimal. 4 into 1 4, 4 into 4 16. Now decimal was here, there was one digit after the decimal in your question, so there must be one digit after the decimal in your answer. So it will be 16.4 is equal to 7.6. So the next will be you are going to isolate y. That means you are going to move this number on that side. So 12y will be equal to 7.6 minus 16.4. You have just moved this 16.4 on the other side of the equation. This positive sign will now be converted into a negative sign when you will shift it on the other side of the equation. So 12y will be equal to 16.4 and 7.6. You need to subtract them. 16.4 and 7.6. This is negative, this is positive. So basically, first of all, subtract them and we will retain the sign of the large number. This is 4, carry 1 from 16 to 4, because here we have 6, here you have 4. So this is a less number as compared to 6, a small number as compared to 6. So 1 carried from here to 4 will make it 5. Excuse me, 1 carried from 16 to 4. It will become now 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. 1 carried from here to 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now because 1 was carried from 16, over there it become 15. 15 minus 7 is basically 8. So minus 8.8, your large number is negative and sign of the large number will be retained. So minus 8.8 will be written here. So now 12 is going towards the right side of the equation and it will be going to divide minus 8.8, and let me explain it how. This will be like this: y is equal to minus 8.8 divided by 12. Minus 8.8 divided by 12. So in order to get rid of this decimal, you are going to multiply it by 10 in the numerator and do the same in the denominator. Whatever you do in the numerator, you have to do it in the denominator. So y will now become minus 88 over 120. You can simplify this. You can divide both of them by 2. 2 4 times 8, 2 4 times 8, 260 times 120. You can further simplify it to 2 times 4, to 2 times 4, to 3 times 6. You can simplify it further. It will be to 1 times 2, to 1 times 2, 15 times 30. So this is the answer for this part. Next part is part number G. Again the target is same. You need to solve. You need to find the value of the variable which is y. But in this question, you can see y on both sides of the equation, on the left side of the equation and on the right side of the equation you have y. So in this sort of question, you need to move y on one side and the numbers on the other side. This is called combining the like terms, the terms which are like. Open the bracket, 3 into 2, 6y, 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 4y plus 3. So move this y over here with 6y and move this 9 over there with 3. It will be 6y minus 4y. This 4y is positive. On the left side it will become negative, and on the right side this 3 was positive, while this 9, which is positive, on the left side of the equation, when you will move this plus 9 on the other side, it will become minus 9. Now this process is called combining the like terms. This is termed as this. So 6y minus 4y is 2y. 3 plus 3 minus 9 is minus 6. This is large number as compared to this one, and it has a negative sign, so the sign of the large number will retain. So y now will become minus 6 by 2, because this 2 is being multiplied by y. Over there it will divide. So the answer for y is minus 3, because 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. Next question is part number H. Question number 4, exercise 5a. Again the question is same, you need to solve it. You need to find the value of the variable, which is y, and you can see y on the left side of the equation as well as on the right side of the equation. So first of all, multiply this 3 by both the terms inside the bracket. It will be 3y plus 3 into 1 3. Well, that is equal to 4y minus 21. Now combine the like terms as we have done in the previous question. Combine the like terms mean you are going to combine the terms which are like. So 4y will be coming over here towards 3y, and 4y will change its sign. It is positive, no, it is negative when it will be moving from right to left, and this 3 will be going on the right side. Minus 21 was waiting on the right side. This 3 is positive on the right side. It will become minus. It will change its sign while moving from left to right. 3y minus 4y is minus 1y, and minus 21 minus 3 is minus 24. Now this is, most of the students used to say minus minus is plus. Actually this is not multiplication operation, this is subtraction operation. This is negative, this is negative, they will add up to become a big negative. This minus 1 is being multiplied by y. Move this minus 1 on the right side, so it is going to divide this minus 24. Minus goes with minus, so y is equal to 24. This is the answer for this part. In this part, that is part number I, you need to find the value of the variable, which is y, and disperse it on the left side for the equation as well as on the right side. First of all, open the brackets. 3 into y, 3 into 2, it will be 3y plus 6, and 2 into y, 2 into 4, it will be 2y plus 8. Now combine the like terms. Combine the like terms mean this one and this one is like, both are from the family of y. Move this 2y towards this 3y. It will be 3y minus 2y. You need to change the sign of this plus 2y to minus 2y while shifting it from the right to left of the equation, and move this 6 towards 8. It will be 8 minus 6. 3y minus 2y is 1y. 8 minus 6 is 2. So basically 1y or y is the same. So y is equal to 2. So this is the solution for this part number I. So up till this part, I will conclude today's lecture. In my next lesson, I will continue from the same one, and keep watching and subscribe the channel if you haven't done it. So thank you so much.